Hub, a unique word carrying the vastness of the human heart. In Arabic, hub means love, but it is more than affection or desire. It is one of the many beautiful states of souls. It speaks of warmth, devotion, and the invisible bond that ties one being to another, whether between lovers, friends, family, or even between a person and life. The word itself flows softly, hub, beginning with a gentle breath, as if exalted with heartfelt emotions, and ending with a tender closure, like an embrace. In classical Arabic, hub has always symbolized purity, sincerity, and the beauty of giving without expecting. To say أنا أحبك or أنا أحبك, I love you, is not just the express of emotions, but to acknowledge connection, to say I see you, and I feel you, and I am moved by your presence. In Arabic culture, hub is the seed from which compassion, mercy, and unity grow, a reminder that love in all its forms is the essence of being human.